Hello, assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about IST Internship Program in Austria. Previous I made a video on Vienna Bachelor Program that is also in Austria. So today we will discuss IST Internship. If you are looking to do internship in Austria, then this is a very prestigious internship program. So let's have a look on here. The applications are invited to apply for the IST Internship Program in Austria 2022. The IST Summer Internship all expenses covered, fully funded internship for international students. Both bachelor or master students are eligible to apply for IST internship summer program from around the world. The internship is available in multiple fields. There is no need to provide any language tests like IELTS and TOEFL. IST internship is a prestigious and famous international internship. The IST fully funded internship will run from 15 May to 15 September 2022. The duration will be for 2 to 3 months. There is no application fee. All undergraduates and graduate students from all over the world are eligible. The program is like roughly 30 to 40 students. So, if you are studying PhD program, so you can't apply for this program. If you are studying in a bachelor or a master program, then you can apply for this internship program. Both males and females from all nationality holders are eligible. So join the IST Austria internship program. Students who are interested in basic research in the field of biology, computer science, data science, mathematics, physics, neurosciences, chemistry and material, and interdisciplinary area are encouraged to apply. Details about IST internship program in Austria. The country host is Austria, and one more thing I want to share with you that the capital of Austria is Vienna. University name is Institute of Science and Technology. The duration is 15 May to 15 September 2022. The financial coverage is fully funded and the deadline to apply for this internship program 15 February 2022. So must avail this opportunity and set a reminder on your mobile phone set to remember this prestigious internship program. Internship areas are biology, computer science, data science, mathematics, physics, neuroscience, interdisciplinary area. Financial coverage. IST Summer Internship in Austria is a fully funded paid internship in Europe and it will cover all expenses for all selected participants from around the world. Monthly compensation, access to affordable health insurance, allowance for travel costs to from Austria, subsidized housing, on-campus housing available, free access to the IST Austria shuttle bus with an hourly service to Vienna, invitation to the annual IST Austria barbecue June. And the required documents are CV, your statement of purpose, university transcript and diploma of all degree program and all years you have attended and all currently enrolled in. We recommend submitting these in the original language as well as in English. Contact information of one or two referees. So these are the required documents you have to require to apply for this prestigious internship program. The eligibility criteria. Candidates must be enrolled bachelor or master of science students are similar that above mentioned fields. They must have completed at least the fourth semester of their bachelor studies before the respective start date. All students, regardless of their nationality and country of residence, are eligible to apply for. So, whether you are living anywhere in the world, you can apply for this prestigious internship program. The deadline is 15th February 2022. So, you must have to remember this deadline. How to apply? So, visit the official website of IST Summer Internship Program. So, here are all the details are written. You can simply read it. So after reading these are the information you can apply from here. Apply now. So login. So first of all you have to register yourself. I need to register. You have to put your first name here, your last name here, your email address, and after that your password here and register yourself. After register yourself they will send you an email, and so you have to simply click on that email address and you have to activate your account. After that you can log in from here. Simply you put your email address and your password here and log in. So after login you can simply see that uh, so you have to scroll down. JD open call program. No, this is not for you. IST internship summer program 2022. That is the deadline is 15th of February 2022. Start application. So in this way you can start your application. These are the instructions are written here. Please fill out the form using a web browser on a desktop computer. Web browser on mobile devices, Android, iPhone, iPad, etc. are not supported. Okay, so first of all, you have to write your first name here, Muhammad. Then after that, your last name. Then male, female, male. Do your date of birth, your nationality, your personal email. You have to write it here. Your country, your permanent address, your city, your postal code, and your phone number. After that, you have to put your current studies in which you are currently enrolled. So, guys, putting all the information here. Do you have any previous completed degrees? So yes. So you can simply select yes or no. Participating professor. Please choose 1 to 3 professors in order of reference you would like to work with. You have to choose almost 1 to 3 professors in which you want to work with them in internship program. After that, the attachment your CV. You have to put your curriculum vitae here, your statement of purpose here, your language certificate, and your others documents if you have any additional information. These are the simple questions. You have to put all the information here. After that, your referees here. You have to put the referees here. You are required to enter one referee. You are allowed to enter maximum two referees. So one referee is necessary. You can put maximum of two referees. That are previous statement, sir. After that, you have to save all the information. Simply submit from here. Guys, hope so you understand that how much in easy way you can apply for this internship program. Thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Inshallah, we will meet you in my another interesting video with another interesting internship program or scholarship program or exchange program. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.